Hi guys, so comment down below you want me to draw in this block. Guys, first let's draw Barbie in this freedom up. I think this will be it. I think let's check these and this one, this side, and this side. I mean Barbie's dress. Oh, there's some dust. Barbie's dress. And there's no pink, so sorry for that. Let me check. Barbie, say bye bye. It's not racing, look. Oh my god. Okay guys, bye.